So coming from the wealth management space, I knew the language of money, how it works, taxes, all the fun stuff that a lot of people get confused by. To switch gears, to come over now to learn about osteogenic loading, bone, osteoblasting, these words, I did not understand them until I went onto the journey by OsteoStrong to understand what this was happening to our bones, what was happening to our skeletal system when members went through the process of OsteoStrong. What's been so rewarding to see is when you have a member that weighs 150 pounds, skinny lady, come in. And when she first goes through an OsteoStrong session, where she can apply maybe 1 to 2 times the force on her bones. And within 6 months, maybe a year, where she's applying 7 to 8 times multiple of force on her skeletal system, her infrastructure, the confidence, the strength that she knows that she's achieving and growing by coming into this center weekly and the results that she's getting from it. From the medical terms, understanding the body, it's been rewarding because I get to know what's going on at the infrastructure, the skeletal, the framework of our body, and that's the skeletal system, and all the other benefits that we get from it: tissue redevelopment, tendons, ligaments strengthening, people getting out of pain in their knees, hips, backs. The results have been remarkable to see people that used to be in some type of challenge, some friction in their life. Now they're walking around, they're stretching, they're active. That's what's rewarding. I'm Brian Ruppel, proud owner of OsteoStrong Lake Mary.